So I picked up a 80 something Dolphin Ford Camper the other day, and it finally got delivered to the shop. So let's go out and take a look at it. It's kind of got some weird stuff on it, so here we go. There's Chris's camper. Mine's out here. Way in the back over there. Some of the projects that's going on right now. Let's go check this out. Alright, so here it is. Currently it's in our overflow yard here. But a Nebraska mobile home. I think it's an 81. I'll have to look, but we'll just go around the outside here first. Kind of cool. Something different. Side door. Big windows on it. Anyway, let me get the hood popped. We'll go around on the inside and take a look. Alright, got everything opened up, got the hood popped. So we'll go around the interior of this thing and under the hood and show you everything it's got. So all original on the inside here. Kind of interesting. It's got my camera to focus here. Well, cruise control tied to the blinker switch. Oh, look at that super cool radio. Yeah. Center console, crank windows, flush headliner there. What's crazy is this is a 250, obviously with a big camper on it, with an inline 300. We all know these will go forever, but seems like it had been underpowered, but what do I know? Supposedly it runs. My friend JR that picked this thing up for me in Nebraska actually drove it onto the trailer and then drove it around his property some, so we'll see if we can get it up running here pretty quick. I think the fuel pump's bad on it, that's why it's not starting right now. But interesting spare tire setup here on the front. I thought these were cool. So National Park stickers, campground stickers from some of the places that it's been. Here we go. Apparently it came from El Paso, Texas. So it made it from Texas to Nebraska and then back to Texas again. So here we are. Definitely definitely dated on the inside, but still pretty cool for what it is. Some of the stuff that Dolphin put in here. Let's see, what all we got? Bags, a lot of rotten wood. Stove. Sink. Vent pipe. There's got to be some treasures in here somewhere. Water heater maybe? Camping supplies. I'm set. All I gotta do is get it running. I can go camping right away. My wife will be thrilled. Hey, propane. Ooh. Bathroom. Full shower. Boy, they crammed a lot of stuff in this small space. Furnace down there. Decent sized closet. Sweet. New towels. Oh, look at that. That's a sweet fridge. Yum. Okay. Looks like it's gas and electric, so two-way. That's pretty cool. Super sweet. Looks like swivel chairs. Well, I guess they don't. Maybe they do. Yeah, it does. Coffee table. Bedroom area. See if there's anything cool in these cabinets. Oh. Supper tonight. Who wants to eat that? Paper towel. Shoot, we're almost ready to go camping. Look at that. Huh. Bed linens. Yep. Definitely gonna just crawl right up in and stay in that. Oh, interesting. I guess it folds up so you got more headroom to come between the front and the back. See right into the driver compartment here. And I guess the couch here looks like it may pull out. Yeah. Aha! It pulls out and turns into another bed. These are pretty cool. These full-size side windows here. Hey, look at that. OBS park next to us. They'd probably be good neighbors at the campsite. Alright, well there's pretty much the interior of this thing. Oh, there's the air conditioning control. Forgot about the air conditioner, but a little bit of elbow grease. This might be kind of cool. And it's got the big windows on both sides, which is kind of rare considering. So let's go look at the outside. Oh yeah, keep on camping. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to climb up on the roof and show the roof of this thing. Hopefully I don't fall my fat ass through and hit the ground. So here we go. Oh, sketchy. Sketchy, sketchy. Yeah, let's not climb up here all the way. I'm already going to fall. I can see it now. But here's the top. If I can get down without busting it. Yeah, I'm going to just jump. Okay. So this is one of the oddball things that I found. So let's see if it'll focus here. It's a 16.5, but it's a single wheel. It has a wide barrel on it, but it's actual dual tires. So that's something very interesting that I don't think I've ever seen. Looks like it's got overloads on it. Little fiberglass converter pieces here between the cab and the RV. Overall, it's a neat little truck, especially for what I paid for it. Kind of cool. Needs some love for sure. I think it'd make a really cool like overlanding rig if you swapped it onto another platform, which I may do. Looks like it's probably 2004. It was registered in Texas, so it's been off the road for a while, at least in Texas. Now, we thought about doing this. Alright, here's what we thought about doing. This truck here, never seen one quite do this, but the back side of the cab rusted out, which means the cab's got to be replaced. Everything else on the truck's nice, other than it had a small engine fire at the battery. The truck still runs, the cab's rough. So what if we took the bed off, cut the frame, cut the back of the cab out, took the motorhome back, put it on this truck, and had a 4-door, basically a homemade RevCon rather than a bought one, and did some modifications ourselves. I think it'd be pretty slick. Let us know what y'all think. So that basically concludes the video here of the Dolphin Camper. Super sweet Dolphin Camper. Let us know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.